What's up, guys? Steve here with Scotch and Things. Unboxing yet another Hinderer. Like I said, I went on kind of a tear. Love that thing. I had ordered this directly from Hinderer last Saturday because I was talking with Keith and he was like, hey, do you want me to send this to you? And I said, well, you know, Hinderer is supposed to be dropping some, and that was Friday. Saturday, Firetac, Spanto, Triway, Stonewash, Orange, G10. I thought I ordered black. So I have never you know, I liked the size just from pictures, but it was the thumb disc that kind of threw me off. I wasn't a real thumb disc kind of guy, but he said it was probably the best thumb disc he's ever used, and it says it's one of his smoothest Hinderers, so why not? And I thought it'd be that good, you know, EDC size. Probably not a work knife, but we will see. Sorry, I know you guys love tuning in to watch me flip clips. I wonder why does anybody know why they send them that way? I think most people prefer you know, this way. I always thought that was weird. So yeah, the Firetac. Orange. This orange is a little more, these scales look kind of goofy in G10. It'd be nice to get some titanium or, huh. So you get the Spanto tip, 20 CV. You know, I kind of like it. It's very Sebenza feeling, if you know what I'm talking about, like size-wise, like a large Sebenza. Can't really tell there. Huh, not the same size as an XM, 3.5 inch. Comfortable. You know what? This could be a work knife. Might just EDC this thing. Stupid smooth. Can I reverse it? Yeah. A fun little. Oh yeah. Get some jimping there on the disc. I just find it funny. Everybody wants titanium, or I would say it seems like most people want titanium scales for their Hinderer. But they're all like G10, or why don't you just offer it as an option? I'm sure the guys would like to, they'd pay the money for them. They pay the money for them aftermarket. Okay, I like this. Yeah, he said he is one of his smoothest Hinderers, and it feels good. It is smooth. What do you guys think? I like it. I mean, it's not a small knife, but it's not a big knife. Does that make sense? I mean, it's pretty thin. Here it is against a 3.5 inch skinny. About the same. I like it. Yeah. Orange. I thought I got black. Guess it matches my XM24. I probably will. I just missed out. Someone had a black titanium scale. God, the hardware for these things, they pop up and then they're just gone in seconds, guys. So I'll keep my eye out. It'd be cool to have a tie scale. Oops. Yeah, there you go, guys. Just a quick unboxing, quick first look at the Hinderer Firetac. It's weird. You think they run the same bearings? I wonder, is this on bearings? I'm guessing it's on bearings. Yeah, there's the washers and the Teflon washers and the phosphor bronze. It's just weird how much smoother it is than the bearings in the XM. Very cool. And just, I mean, when he said that it was as smooth as Hinderer, that's why I was like, okay, I guess I'll buy one. Very, very smooth. Cool. I like it. Should be an easy knife to EDC. Front pocket, back pocket, whatever. I'll carry it, let you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.